Hi developers, I am your instructor Puneet and today we are going to discuss the topic why to choose Python. So guys, let's start. The first thing here is Python is simple and easy to learn language. As compared to other languages like C, C++, Java, Python has a simple syntax. Next thing is Python is interpreted. What it means? It means the code is being executed line by line here. In Python, the translator is interpreter. Next thing is Python is dynamically typed. What it means? It means that Python is dynamic in nature. But how? Let's look at the snippet. In the first step, here we are defining a variable and assigning an integer value to it. Then we are printing the variable and printing its type. Again we are defining a variable and assigning string value to it. Then we are printing the variable and printing its type. Guys, what we are doing here, we are storing different types of values in a single variable. What it means? It means that the type of variable depends upon the data present in it. Now this thing makes Python dynamic in nature. But what happens in other languages like C, C++, Java? Let's look at the snippet. Suppose we want to store an integer value in a variable A. We have to define the type of the variable, that is int A equals to 2. Now if we want to store the string value in A variable, we can't do that because this variable is only defined to store the integer values. Now guys, this thing differentiates Python from other languages. That's why Python is dynamic and C, C++, and Java are static languages. In Python, we don't define the type of the variable when we are defining the variable. Next thing is Python has a large standard of libraries. It means that there are numerous libraries in Python to do different tasks such as NLTK. It is used for natural language processing. TensorFlow, it is used for machine learning. Scikit-learn, it is used for machine learning. Keras, it is used for neural networks. So there are numerous libraries. We can do different tasks by using different libraries. Next thing is Python reduces the lines of code. Guys, look at the snippet here. We have two languages, one is Java, another one is Python. We can see the difference in the lines of code. We are just printing hello on the screen. We have to use 3 lines in Java but only 1 line in Python. Next thing is Python is portable in nature. Portable means that we can transfer our code written in one system to another system, or we can simply develop our code for different types of systems. Next thing is Python is extensible in nature. What it means? It means that if we want to write our code in other languages, we can do that. We can write in C, we can write in C++. Next thing is Python is open source. What it means? It means that it is open for public and anyone can modify its source code. Next thing is Python has more career options, and interestingly guys, the Python developer has a huge salary. That's why people opt Python. In the last, Python supports different programming paradigms. The 4 main programming paradigms that Python support are object-oriented programming, imperative programming, functional programming, and procedural programming. Guys, we will discuss these programming paradigms later in our course. Till now, that's it from today. Hope you liked our video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.